No explanation is necessary to you. What I give are those which are derived from the core. In my rationality, I dare to be rational eventually. Ask for you to be rational eventually. What you need to be receiving any of necessary pieces deriving from the core of rationality. This time too, I'd like you to dewash yourself. I'd like you to dewash your heart. It is a vital question of whether you have purity in your heart or not. Then now, I give you a short time for the experience what is called self-spiritual purification.